Welcome to my YouTube channel. I am Srinivas Reddy Palam. In this video, I am going to explain you about a scholarship named Hope Engineering Scholarship, which is offered by Schaeffler India, Shaping Tomorrow's Innovators. This particular scholarship is offered for female students. Let's go through the scholarship eligibility criteria. It is open to female students and preference will be given to students with physical disabilities. So they are actually offering this scholarship for female students and the preference will be given to students with physical disabilities. And applicants must have scored more than 60% marks in class 12, that is science, in the academic session 2023 and 2024. That means it is offered for the students who completed their class 12th and they should have completed their intermediate or 12th class with 60% marks or more. Applicants enrolled in the first year of an engineering program at any state UGC recognized college in India are eligible to apply. And you can see here this particular scholarship is offered for the first year of engineering students, and they engineering program should be recognized by state or UGC, uh, and they should be pursuing their engineering in India. Okay, then they are eligible to apply for this particular scholarship. You might have a doubt that how could you apply for this particular scholarship even without starting the engineering program set for the academic year, for this academic year, that is 2024 and 2025. That's why they have given this deadline. Okay, since the academic session has not been started, they have given the deadline for applying this particular scholarship as 30th July 2024. That means after completing the entrance exams and counseling process, still you will have some time to apply for this particular scholarship, but you should prepare with some documents so that you can apply for this particular scholarship. And this particular scholarship is offered for engineering branches like computer science and engineering, information technology, electrical and electronics, electronics and communications, mechanical, production, instrumentation, mechatronics, automobile. So these are the courses for which you can apply for this particular scholarship. And the annual family income of the applicants must be less than 5 lakhs in order to apply for this particular scholarship. Pan India students can apply for this particular scholarship. That means any Indian student can apply for this particular scholarship, and he should be studying engineering program, and he should have completed he or she should have no he not he she should have completed her intermediate education or plus 12 12th class with 60% marks in intermediate or class 12. And children of employees of Schaeffler India are by default study are not eligible for this particular scholarship program. Okay, this is the point that is restricting the female students in applying the particular scholarship. They should not be the employees of Schaeffler India or by default study. Okay, their parents should not be employees. And benefits, scholarship of 50,000 rupees if you get selected for this particular scholarship. And what are the documents you have to provide in order to apply for this particular scholarship? Passport size photograph, Aadhaar card, family income proof, bank passbook, class 10 mark sheet, class 12 mark sheet, admission letter, okay, latest school or college fee receipt, okay, and a disability certificate if applicable. Okay, preference will be given to disabled student. That's why if applicable, that it means you are a disabled student, then you can provide this disability certificate in order to claim the preference. And how can you apply for this particular scholarship if you are eligible to apply for this particular one? And see, you have to click on this apply now button. Okay, and then you can log into the body for study website with your registered ID and land on the application form page. If you are not registered, you can register at body for study with your email, mobile or Gmail account, and then you can again apply for this particular scholarship. Okay, if at all if you are already registered and you are logged in, okay, even after your registration also you will be redirected to Hope Engineering Scholarship by Schaeffler India application form page. Click on the start application button to begin the application process. Fill in the required details in the application online application form and upload the relevant documents. After that you have to accept terms and conditions and click on preview. Okay, if all the details filled in by the applicant are correctly showing on the preview screen, click on the submit button to complete the application process. Whatever details you have already entered in the application form page, you need to thoroughly cross check them, and then if you are satisfied with those details, you can uh, submit. You can click on the submit button and you can submit application pro, okay, to complete the application process, okay. And they have given some FAQs. If at all, if you have any queries related to FAQ, okay, frequently asked questions, these are the frequently asked questions which can clarify your doubts. What is the selection process for this particular scholarship program? The selection of this particular scholarship program is a multi-stage process. Initial shortlisting of applicants based on completed applications and document verification for shortlisted student. Telephonic interview 10 to 15 minutes for final selection. Schaeffler India may add or remove any steps mentioned about to optimize the selection process. They may change the selection process also in order to shortlist the students who are actually eligible for applying the are eligible to receive the scholarship. And what are the Hope Engineering Scholarship by Schaeffler India renewal criteria? What is the criteria? Selected Hope Engineering Scholarship by Schaeffler India must maintain the following criteria to receive continued scholarship benefits throughout their engineering program. Have no disciplinary issues during the previous academic session. Suppose if you are selected for the particular scholarship and you are in second year, you entered into second year and you want to renew this particular scholarship, then you should not have any disciplinary issues during your first year. Maintain a strong academic performance, not drop out of any sessions during the engineering program. You should not be a dropout student, or you should not discontinue and then restart your engineering program. Then you are eligible to receive the renewal scholarship amount also. Schaeffler India will only make the final decision on scholarship renewal. Okay, if you have any doubts, you can contact at this number, that is landline number 011 430 92248, 011, that is the STD code, and 430 92248. This is the number, and after dialing this number, you have to enter an extension number, that is 132. Between Monday to Friday, that is from 10 a.m. to 6 p.m., you can contact them and you can get clarified of your doubts. And you can even write a email that is at schaeffler at buddyforstudy.com, SCHAEFFLER at buddyforstudy.com. This is the email through which you can contact and get clarified of your doubts, okay. This is the FAQs, and now I will show you how to apply for this particular scholarship by clicking on this apply now button. You have to click on this apply now button. You have to sign in with your uh, credential that you are already having, or you can register. Okay, if you are not registered, you can register by creating an account in Buddy for Study website. Since I am already having an account with Buddy for Study, and I am showing a demonstration to apply for this particular scholarship, I am just clicking on this mobile number and entering. Already my details are auto saved, so I am just clicking on this login, so that it will log in me, okay. So after clicking on this login button, I was logged into this website. I'm logged into this website successfully, okay. And I'm clicking OK. Now this page will redirect me to this particular application, okay, application form, okay. Apply now button. Okay, right. After this, you can read these instructions. Whatever eligibility criteria is mentioned, actually that is the those are only the instructions they have already given and I have already discussed. So just go through them. The deadline for applying this particular scholarship is 30th July. Okay, my name is mentioned here and I am successfully logged in. Now I want to apply for this particular scholarship. I have to select this particular scholarship, Schaeffler India Hope Engineering Scholarship, and I have to click on start application. Then it will take me to the application form filling section, where I have to enter certain sections like student personal details. For me, all the details are already filled up, because in the profile section itself, actually the things are actually mentioned by me. Okay, while applying for a different scholarship, I have already filled those information. That's why for me all these things are already displayed. Okay, right, these are the things being asked for me by this particular application form. Student personal details, I have to fill up all these things. For you also the same thing will be there, and you have to fill up all these details. And after that, you have to enter your permanent address, which should be or which may be as per your Aadhaar card. If it is not the same, you have to enter different addresses. If the permanent address and correspondence address both are same, you can click on this same as permanent address, and after that you have to click on save and continue, so that this section will be actually now completed. Okay, you can see here. After that, you have to enter your educational details. Okay, in educational details, you have to enter your class 12 details. Okay, class 12 details, which should be class 12, which can be your stream of your class 12th, and where you have actually pursued your education, and all these things you have to fill up. Okay, after that, you have to select when you actually passed your class 12, that thing you have to enter. Right, after that, you have to enter your marks, whatever marks you have obtained in your class 12, you have to enter, and have to for how many marks you obtained, automatically the percentage will be calculated. And after that, you have to enter your graduation. Okay, graduation things like what is your graduation course, and what is your course duration, how many years is the course. Okay, that is course duration, and institution type also is asked. And what is the current academic year in which you are actually studying. All these things you have to fill up. And after that, your graduation institution details, like where is it is actually situated, and what is the district name of the district. All these things you have to fill up, and automatically you can see the colleges available in that particular state and district. And after that, you have to enter your course total actual fee. Okay, right, after that, you have to select when your course is going to be completed, and what is your engineering branch that you have to enter. After this, okay, you can click on save and continue, so that your educational details section will be completed. After that, you have to enter your family member details, like father, mother details. Okay, for me all these things are actually already filled up, so I'm just opening them and clicking on save and continue, so that the section will be completed. And after that, documents like passport size photograph, Aadhaar card, family income proof, bank passbook, class 10 mark sheet, admission letter, latest school college fee receipt, disability certificate, these things should be uploaded. Okay, you have to click on those things, and you have to click on save and continue, so that this section will be now completed. Okay, yeah, after that, the document section is also being completed by me, because my details are already saved, in fact, for different scholarships. Okay, yeah, this thing is also now completed. Just click on save and continue, so all documents are now uploaded. And you have to provide two references, like your sister, brother, whomever you know. You have to give two references and provide their contact number, so that they will contact them if at all, if they have any clarifications required regarding your details. And after that, you have to enter your bank account details also. Okay, bank account details you need to fill up. Right, after that, you have to yeah, things like IFSC code and other things you have to enter, so that yeah, things will be filled up, automatically filled up. And you have to click on save and continue, so that bank account details will be now completed. After that, you have to brief about yourself by answering certain questions like this. You can go through these questions one by one, and you have to fill up. You can take help of your friends, or your class teacher, or someone else, so that you can answer appropriately, so that they will shortlist you after going through this questionnaire. Okay, after clicking on the save and continue, this section will also be now completed. And after that, you have to accept some declaration, terms and conditions, accept following terms. Okay, you go through these, so that whatever data you have entered, solely you will be responsible for this data. If any mistakes are found later stage, even if you get selected, your scholarship application will be rejected. Okay, or they can recover even the amount that is sanctioned to you and received by you. Okay, so just accept these terms and conditions, then click on preview, so that you can review the data that you have entered. And so this section is actually completed. You can edit your application if you find certain data as mistake. Okay, if you want to upload disability certificate, if you are a disabled student, you can simply upload that certificate also. For me, actually I am not a disabled student, and I have not uploaded that certificate. So after this, you can click on the submits in order to complete your application process. This is how you can actually apply for this Schaeffler India Hope Engineering Scholarship. Okay, or Hope Engineering Scholarship by Schaeffler India. Okay, if you find any difficulty in submitting anything, or you have any doubts, you can contact me by commenting in the video, so that I will help you out in completing this application. If you find this video useful, please say, like this video and also share this information to your friends, whomever you know, and they can get benefit of this particular scholarship. Okay, if you want to receive further notification like this in my YouTube channel, I am requesting you to subscribe my YouTube channel, so that you will receive notification and you will get benefited out of my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching this video. Wish you all the best for your scholarship application.